Hello friends, in this video we learn about irreversible inhibitors. This type of inhibitors generally forms the covalent bond with amino acid residues at or near the active site and permanently disable the enzyme. Some irreversible inhibitors may not covalently bind to the active site but physically block the active site with strong affinity. Therefore, this type of inhibitors are also called as dead inhibitors or enzyme poisons. Irreversible inhibitors is of following types. First is group specific covalent modifying agents. This type of inhibitors react with specific type of functional group. For example, diisopropyl fluorophosphate and phenylmethyl sulfonyl fluoride. These inhibitors react irreversibly with hydroxyl group of serine proteases. Iodoacetamide and iodoacetate also react irreversibly with the sulfhydryl group of essential cysteine residues in enzyme triose phosphate dehydrogenase and thiol proteases. Second is affinity labels. The example include tosylphenylalanyl chloromethyl ketone, which binds covalently to histidine in substrate binding site of chymotrypsin. Third is transition state analog. Pyrrole 2-carboxylate is an example which resemble with transition state of proline and inhibits the enzyme proline racemase. Fourth is suicide inhibitors. The example include allopurinol and 5-fluoroorotic acid. Last is suicidal substrate, for example fluoroacetate. Penicillin is both the transition state analog and suicidal substrate. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.